way to go.
I love my fatherland.
Oh yeah,
I want to know
I want to know
which way Nigeria is heading to.
Many years after independence, we still find it hard to start. How long shall we be patient before we reach the promised land? Let's save Nigeria, so Nigeria won't die.
Which way Nigeria?
Which way?
Which way Nigeria?
Tell me.
Which way to go? I love my fatherland.
Oh yeah,
I want to know
yes I want to know.
which way Nigeria is heading to.
tí wọ́n bá fún ènìyàn ní abẹ́rẹ́ oorun ní Nàìjíríà
If you are injected in Nigeria
tí irú ẹni bẹ́ẹ̀ wá lọ tají sí ìlú Spain
and such person was able to wake up in Spain
tàbó jí ní ìlú Netherlands
or Netherlands
tàbó jí ní ìlú Germany
or Germany,
tàbó lọ tají sí ìlú
or the
Switzerland
person was able to wake up in Switzerland
tàbó lọ tají sí ìlú Belgium
or Belgium
tàbó lọ tají sí ìlú Turkey
or Turkey.
gbogbo àwọn orílẹ̀-èdè tí mo dárúkọ yìí
All these countries I've mentioned,
ibẹ̀ lọ́lọ́run ti mú kí n lọ wàásù
that is where God has taken me to go and
tí
pray.
ènìyàn bá sùn ní bíbá yìí
When you sleep here in
tó bá
Nigeria
jí níbẹ̀
and you wake up over there,
ó máa rò pé òun ti kú ní Nàìjíríà
you will think you have died in Nigeria
òun ti dé ìjọba ọ̀run.
and you have gotten to the kingdom of God.
ẹ wo ẹ̀yin orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà
Listen, Nigerians,
ẹ jẹ́ ká dìde fún àdúrà
let's stand for prayer.
orílẹ̀-èdè wa yìí wọ́n ti dorí ẹ̀ kodò
This our nation has been turned upside down.
èmi ò bẹ̀rù ẹ̀dákẹ́dá alààyè lórí
I
ọ̀rọ̀
am
yìí
not afraid of anyone on this issue.
ẹ ò ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ máa fọlọ́pàá gbé mi
This is not the first time you'll be arrested
ẹ
with
tún wá
the
kẹ́ ẹ
police.
tún wá gbé mi
You can come down this time
èyí
around to
tẹ́ ẹ gbé
arrest
mi
me.
níjọ́ òní
The one you arrested me for the
ọlọ́pàá
other
tẹ́ ẹ ní
time.
kó wá gbé mi dà tún bí kó tó kú lọ́dọ̀ mi.
The policeman that you sent to me give his life to Christ before he left my place.
ẹ wo gbogbo àwọn aṣáájú wa ti bà nǹkan jẹ́
See, all our leaders have spoiled a lot of things.
èmi ọ̀bẹ yẹn olówó wí
I'm not talking to the rich people.
Jésù wípé
Jesus says,
mi ò wá nítorí àwọn tára wọn dá
I have not come because of those that are okay,
ṣùgbọ́n nítorí àwọn tára wọn ò dá
but I am here for those that are
wọ́n ti
sick.
borílẹ̀-èdè yìí jẹ́
They have spoiled this nation.
àfi kí Ọlọ́run kó gbé mẹ̀sáyà dìde.
Except for God to bring a Messiah.
ẹ wo gbogbo àwọn bàbá tí a rú lórílẹ̀-èdè yìí láti ọdún mẹ́jọ ọdún mẹ́wàá àti láti 1960
Look at the father that have ruled this nation 8 years, 10 years, and since
gbogbo
1960.
wọn pátá lọmọ wọn ò sunkún kẹ́yìn ẹyẹ wọn
All of them, their children is going to weep at the end of their life.
àfi tí wọ́n bá sí àtúnṣe kan tó jáde láyé
Except they do the correction before they leave this
gbogbo
world.
ọmọ wọn ò kà àdánwò.
Their children is going to see a tribulation.
ẹ wo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ tí jáde kúrò Nàìjíríà
People that are unable to leave
ó tí
Nigeria.
travel jáde kúrò Nàìjíríà
You have not traveled out of Nigeria.
ohun tí mò ń sọ yóò lè yí ọ rárá.
What I'm saying, you might not understand.
ìgbà tí mo wọ ìlú Germany níjọ́ ní
When I traveled to Germany the other time,
mo ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ pé sáyé ni mo wà
I
bọ́ọ̀rùn.
was asking, am I in heaven or
arìn ìrìn wákàtí méjìlá a ò dúró níbi kankan go slow.
We traveled for 12 hours without go slow.
gbogbo títí wọn dàbí inú yàrá.
All their road was just like a room.
àwọn èèyàn yóò sì ní ọrọ̀ ajé.
And these people do not have economy.
ẹ wo nǹkan mo wá rò pé ìlú Germany nìkan ló dáa.
Then I now thought within myself that Germany is the
ní
only
oṣù
country
tó
that is
kọjá
good.
yìí
Last month,
tọ́lọ́run tún wá fún mi lórí ọ̀fẹ́
that God gave me the privilege
láti wo àwọn orílẹ̀-èdè mìíràn.
to enter another country.
àwọn orílẹ̀-èdè tí mo ti dárúkọ yẹn
The countries that I mentioned,
mo dẹ̀ ń sunkún kí n tó jáde
I
kúrò bẹ̀.
was crying before I leave this
kí
country.
ni reason ni wípé
Why?
àwọn orílẹ̀-èdè yẹn dàbí ìjọba ọ̀run.
All these nations are just like the kingdom of
gbogbo ẹ̀yin
God.
ọmọ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà
All Nigerians,
àwọn alákòóso tí ó wà ń bẹ̀ ń sìn
the rulers that are there
tí
now,
a bá sọ pé àwọn fẹ́ tún orílẹ̀-èdè yìí ṣe
if they say they want to correct this
ẹ
nation,
jẹ́ kí wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ báyìí.
let them start right now.
sẹ́ẹ̀rí tẹ́ ẹ bá dé ìlú Germany
When you get to Germany,
ẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run bà mí.
I was amazed.
ìyàwó tó lóyún
A wife that is pregnant,
wọ́n ń fún ní sálárì
they were paying her.
ọmọ tó bí sínú
The child you give birth
wọ́n á á tọ́jú ọmọ rẹ fún 18 years.
They will take care of your child for 18 years.
Owó tí wọ́n ń fún wọn yẹn,
The money they are giving to
wọ́n
them,
ń fún ọ lówó oúnjẹ.
they are giving them feeding
Sẹ́rí
allowance.
lẹ́yìn yẹn,
Apart from that,
àwọn ọmọ iléèwé
the students,
wọ́n ní ẹ̀tọ́ tí wọ́n ń gbà látọwọ́
they
ìjọba.
have their own benefit from the government.
O ò gbọ́dọ̀ ná ọmọ.
You cannot beat a
Ẹ
child.
wo ọmọ tí ó nà níjọ́ òní.
Look at the child that they beat
Tí ọmọ yẹn wà ń sunkún.
that the child was crying.
Ọmọ ọdún méjì àbọ́dún mélòó.
The child was around 7
Kí ló
or
kọ ọmọ
8
yẹn
years.
náà?
What's the name of that child?
Favour àbí kíni àbí success.
Her name was
Tó
Success.
wà ń sunkún wípé ẹ̀ náà bí sẹ́ ẹ̀ náà go pay o.
That she was crying. Kì í ṣe wípé mi ò ní san
I go
owó.
pay o.
Mo máa san owó.
But then they beat me.
Wọ́n nà mí.
Then go beat person tire.
Wọ́n máa nà yàn. Ó máa san
Sẹ́nu ọmọ
owó.
yẹn ló yẹ kó máa ní experience ìbànújẹ́
That
bẹ́yẹn.
such child has such a bad experience.
Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń jìyà lọ́wọ́ lórílẹ̀‐èdè
All of you that you are suffering in this nation,
ẹlẹ́dàá yín yóò dìde.
your creator will arise
Yóò ṣe ìdájọ́ gbogbo àwọn alákòóso
and will judge all the rulers
tó wà ń bẹ̀ lánàá.
that are there yesterday
Àtàwọn tí ń pa lọ́wọ́ fún wa lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́
and
lónìí tí ó wà ń bẹ̀.
those that are lying to us
Kò
presently.
sí kankan tó fẹ́ràn orílẹ̀‐èdè yìí.
None of them love this nation.
Ní orílẹ̀‐èdè tí mo lọ,
The nation that I traveled
ní
to
ìlú Spain,
in Spain,
wọ́n gbé mi lọ́wọ́ kọ̀ọ̀kan.
they took me to enter one.
Wọ́n pe ọkọ̀ yẹn ní tram.
They call it tram.
Àjàalẹ̀ láti lọ wọ̀
We
ọ́.
went underground to body.
Àjà márùn-ún sínú ilẹ̀.
It was like 5 feet down
Sí inú ilẹ̀.
to the ground.
Nígbà tá a débẹ̀,
When we got there,
mo bá èrò rẹpẹtẹ bí
I
ọjà.
saw many people just like a
Àwọn èèyàn ń
marketplace.
tajà níbẹ̀.
People were selling.
Ká tó wí ká tó fọ̀.
Before I can say Jesus
Tírẹ́ẹ̀nì
called,
yẹn dé.
the tram came
Ó gbé wa.
and it took us
Ó lọ bí wákàtí kan lábẹ́ ilẹ̀.
and it traveled underground for an hour.
Nígbà tá a sọ kalẹ̀,
When we bought,
ìgbà yẹn mo tó mọ̀ wípé
that was when I know
àṣé tírẹ́ẹ̀nì tá a wọ̀ kò ní dírẹ́fà.
that the tram does not have a driver.
Ẹ̀rù bà mí.
I was afraid.
Wọ́n tún fi lift gbé mi padà
They
sókè
did
ayé.
not use lift to take us
Mo ní
back
sí
to the
ayé mo wà
earth.
àbọ̀run.
Am I in heaven or I'm still
Mọ́mí
on
bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe
earth?
ń gbọ́ mẹ́sẹ̀gì
Mommy,
yìí
as you are listening to this
láti tún
message,
orílẹ̀-èdè yìí sílẹ̀ ni.
is to deliver this
Ẹ
message.
sẹ́ndì ẹ̀ sáwọn tó bá yẹ kẹ́ ẹ sẹ́ndì ẹ̀ sí.
Send it to people that you need to send it to.
Orílẹ̀-èdè yìí ti bàjẹ́.
This nation has spoiled.
Wọ́n ti bàjẹ́.
They are spoiling.
Àwọn tí ń ṣàkóso ti bàjẹ́.
Those that are ruling are spoiling.
Àwọn àránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run,
Men of God,
àwọn àfáà
clerics,
tí a tó ti dókè pátápátá.
that they have gotten to the top.
Ẹ wo orú èmi ń sìn.
Look at me.
Sú mi kà lásán ni mí
I'm
o.
just an ordinary
O lè máa
shoemaker.
bú mi ní ìsìn.
You can be abusing me.
Tó bá jẹ́ pé bàbá mi ní opportunity
If my father have the
láti
opportunity
wà láyé,
to be alive,
bóyá ìbáràn mi nílé ìwé.
maybe he would have sent me to school.
Ṣùgbọ́n gbogbo ìrírí mi,
But all my
ó wá
experience
jẹ́ kí n mọ̀ wípé
makes me to know
bàbá mi wà láyé kò sí láyé o.
my father is alive or not.
Kò yẹ kí n jẹ irú ìyà tí mo jẹ láyé.
I supposed not to experience what I've experienced.
Ọdún méjì àti oṣù mẹ́sàn-án
2 years and 9
ó ní
months.
mo fi kiri Súnmìkà ní ìlú Èkó.
I use it to roam Lagos being a shoemaker.
Ọdún mẹ́ta gbáko
3 years.
ó ní mo fi polówó òwe nínú mọ́ọ̀lù ẹ̀.
I use it to sell books in the vehicle.
Ọdún méjì gbáko
Another 2 years.
ó ní mo tó lọ́ọ́ fi polówó òwe tí mo lọ wàásù nínú tírẹ́ẹ̀nì.
I use it to preach and to sell book in the train.
Àṣé gbogbo ìyà yìí àṣé kò yẹ kí n jẹ́.
All these things I supposed not to
Mò ń jẹ́
experience
torí pé
it.
mi ò fẹ́ sógun owó.
I'm experiencing it because I
Mi
don't
ò
want to
dẹ̀
do
fẹ́
ritual
jalè.
and I don't want to steal.
Àṣé àwọn kan tí a ti ṣáájú wa.
Those people that have moved ahead of
Àṣé
us,
àwọn ní àbàlújẹ́.
they are the one that spoiled the nation.
Ẹ sà,
Sir,
ẹ̀yin orílẹ̀-èdè yìí o.
you this nation,
Olúkúlùkù yín ẹ jẹ́ kí a fọwọ́ kan ẹlẹ́dàá wa.
every one of us, let's put
Kí
our hand
ẹlẹ́dàá
on the
orílẹ̀-èdè
creator,
Nàìjíríà kó dìde.
so that the creator of this nation
Kó
shall
wá tú
arise
orílẹ̀-èdè yìí sílẹ̀.
and deliver this
Lábẹ́
nation
ìṣàkóso àwọn ìka síwájú.
under the ruling of the wicked
Lábẹ́
rulers.
ìṣàkóso àwọn ìka síwájú.
Under the rulings of the wicked
Ọmọ
rulers,
wọn ń gbádùn.
their children are enjoying.
Ẹ wà àwọn pásítọ̀ yẹn.
Look at the pastors.
Tí a bá ti ṣèṣàn tán Nàìjíríà.
When they commit crime in
Tí a
Nigeria,
bá ti ṣe ìṣètàn Sunday service.
when they finish their service in
Àwọn máa gbé
Nigeria,
ọmọ tí wọ́n.
they will take their children
Wọ́n à ní ilé ní Nàìjíríà
to
mọ́.
have house in Nigeria again.
Outside Nàìjíríà ni wọ́n ti lọ ṣẹlẹ̀.
They will not have their house outside
Ìyà tó ń bẹ
Nigeria.
bíbá yóò kan tiwọn mọ́ o.
What we are experiencing here, they are less
Àwọn
concerned.
torílẹ̀-èdè náà lọ́hùn náà kì í ṣe pé wọn kì í travel o.
And those people out there, it's not that they are not traveling,
Ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n tún orílẹ̀-èdè wọn ṣe.
but they make their country.
Àwọn bàbá kan wà ní orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà
There
yìí.
are some fathers in this
Tí
Nigeria.
a bá sọ̀rọ̀ láàárọ̀
when they talk in the
kí
morning
ilẹ̀ ó tó sú
before evening,
orílẹ̀-èdè yìí máa gba àtúnṣe.
then this nation will be changed.
ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n pa ẹnu mọ́
But they keep quiet.
wọ́n pa ẹnu mọ́
They keep
wọ́n
quiet.
pa ẹnu mọ́.
They keep quiet.
Olúwa mú mi lọ sí inú ìwé Jeremiah chapter 1
God took me to the book of Jeremiah,
verse 8.
verse 8.
ẹ máa gbọ́ ohun tó sọ níbẹ̀.
Listen to what it
ẹ̀rù
says.
Ọlọ́run máa bà ọ́.
You will be afraid.
ìwé Jeremiah
The
yẹn
book of Jeremiah,
chapter 1
chapter 1,
verse 8.
verse 8.
bá mi kà lédè òyìnbó.
Do not be afraid of them,
Olúwa ni má bẹ̀rù wọn.
for I am with you,
èmi gbà pẹ̀lú
and
rẹ̀.
I will rescue you, declares the Lord.
Yes.
Then the Lord reached out his hand
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni,
and touched my
ó
mouth
fọwọ́ rẹ̀ kàn mí
and
lẹ́nu.
said to me,
Ó wí fún mi pé
Now I have put my words
mo
in your
fi
mouth.
ọ̀rọ̀ mi sí ọ lẹ́nu.
See,
Ẹ,
today I appoint you over nations
mo
and kingdoms
mi yọ ṣe aláṣẹ lórí àwọn orílẹ̀-èdè
to uproot and tear down,
láti fàtú láti fàlúlẹ̀.
to destroy and overthrow,
Oh my God, ẹ wo
build and to
ó
plant.
ti tó ọmọbìnrin yìí. ṣé ẹ rí Olúwa ló rán mi sí orílẹ̀-èdè yìí.
God sent me to this nation.
ìyà tó ń jẹ ẹrú ẹ̀kọ́ ọmọ ti tó jẹ́.
What the slaves and the owners are suffering
Ìyà yìí ti
for
tó gẹ́.
is enough.
ìyà yìí ti tó jẹ́.
Is enough.
omijé tó ń jáde lójú mi yìí.
The weeping that is coming
nítorí orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà yìí.
is because of this
ó
nation.
máa ṣèdájọ́ fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin alákòóso wa.
We judge all our rulers.
ẹ̀dẹ̀ ń jáde ẹ̀dẹ̀ rí n tó ń
You
ṣẹlẹ̀.
are going out there, you are seeing what is
ẹ̀dẹ̀ ń
happening.
fi àyà jí àwọn ènìyàn tó
And
báyìí.
you are suffering people like this.
èmi ò mọ̀ pé yàrá ń jẹ.
I don't know we are
àfìgbà
suffering.
tẹ́mi náà tó jáde.
Until when I traveled there,
nílùú Germany,
in Germany,
nílùú Spain,
in Spain,
nílùú Netherlands,
in Netherlands,
nílùú Turkey,
in Turkey,
ní gbogbo àwọn orílẹ̀-èdè yẹn.
in all these countries,
iná wà bí ìgbà pé afẹ́fẹ́ wà ní.
there is light as if there is air.
àwọn tí wọ́n wà ń bẹ̀ ní 30 years.
Those that have been there 30
wọ́n
years,
láwọn experience pé náà lọ
they
rí.
said they have never
mo
experienced
ní níbo ni
great light.
sọ́kàwé yín wà.
I said, where is your soccer?
wọ́n láwọn ọmọ bíi tí ìgbé
They
àwọn ń lọ.
said they don't know where it is
wọ́n ní
going.
ìjọba ló ti ṣe é síbẹ̀.
That the government have arranged everything.
omi wọn ń kọ́.
What of their water?
omi wà lóòjọ́ kò ní kò jẹ́ sí seconds kan.
There is water non-stop.
nígbà tó wá di lálẹ́ ta fẹ́ sùn.
When it was night when we want to
mo
sleep,
wá ń sọ fún ọ wípé
then I was telling them,
ṣé ẹ ní lọ gbé mọ́tò wọnú ilé ni.
won't you drive in your vehicle?
ibo lẹ bá páàkì mọ́tò sí.
Where are you going to park your
wọ́n ní
vehicle?
dáàdi ìta ni gbogbo wọn ń
They
páàkì
said
mọ́tò sí.
that we park our vehicles
wọ́n ní wọ́n
outside.
máa yọ bátìrì yín lọ wọ́n
They
máa yọ
said
náà.
they will take away the battery.
wọ́n ní dáàdi Òṣòdì kọ́lé
They
wa.
said, Daddy, you are not in Oshodi.
wọn à lè yọ náà ń bíbá
They
yìí.
cannot take it away.
sẹ́ẹ̀rí bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run bà mí dé.
Well, the way I was amazed,
ibi ẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run bà mí dé.
the way I was amazed
ní àwọn orílẹ̀-èdè yìí.
in this country,
tó o bá rin ìrìn wákàtí 12
when you journey for 12 hours,
o ò ní dúró fún ìṣẹ́jú kan.
you cannot stop for a
àfi
minute
tó bá jẹ́ pé
except
iná ojú ọ̀nà ló dá o dúró.
the traffic light stops you.
ẹ wo ibi tí ìyà ń jẹ orílẹ̀-èdè yìí dé o.
Look at the nation that this country is
ẹ máa gbọ́
suffering.
dáadáa o.
Listen,
àníwé èrè tí ń bẹ lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ títì.
a mad person.
mo fẹ́ fún lówó.
I wanted to give him
wọ́n ní
money.
dáàdi ẹ má dá lóyìn náà kúrò ló ń
They
náwó ẹ̀.
said, Daddy, don't give money to him.
mo ní sí wọn kó lẹ́yìn náà ń sálárì ni.
Are they paying this person?
wọ́n lọ́mọ ìjọba lòun náà wọ́n lòun náà ń gba
They said
sálárì.
government children, they are paying them.
ẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run bà mí sà.
I was amazed.
kìí ṣe orílẹ̀-èdè kan o.
Not one
kìí
country,
ṣe orílẹ̀-èdè méjì o.
not two
kìí
countries,
ṣe mẹ́ta o.
not three
kìí
countries,
ṣe mẹ́rin o.
not four
kìí
countries,
ṣe márùn o.
not five
Olúwa mú mi
countries.
wá àwọn orílẹ̀-èdè yẹn láàrin oṣù méjì.
God take me to this country.
sẹ́rí nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Turkey.
2 months.
nínú Turkey.
What happened in Turkey?
ní Turkey ní Istanbul.
In Istanbul.
ìgbà tí plane mi delay.
When my plane delayed,
wọ́n fún mi lóúnjẹ àárọ̀.
they gave me
ọ̀fẹ́.
breakfast.
wọ́n tún fún mi ní pépà.
They gave me
nígbà
paper
tó di lọ́sàn-án.
in the afternoon
ní airport ni o.
in the airport.
wọ́n ní kí n lọ jẹ́ǹjẹ ọ̀fẹ́.
They said I should go and take my lunch
torí pé
again
plane mi delay.
because my plane
tẹ́ ẹ
delayed.
bá rí airport tí Istanbul ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ build ń sìn.
If you see the new airport that the Istanbul,
mo lọ wọ mọ́tò mo lọ wọ plane ní gate 807.
I went to go and board my plane gate 807.
ẹ jẹ́ mọ̀ pé Muritala International Airport.
Do you know that Murtala Airport
eléyìí ò ń ṣe airport o.
is not an airport?
ó ti di port lásán yọ kú ear kú níbẹ̀.
Let's remove the air.
ó ti di port lásán.
It's just an ordinary port.
wọ́n ti bà nǹkan jẹ́ sà.
I've spoiled a lot of things.
ẹ máa gbọ́ o.
Listen,
ní ìlú yẹn
in that
wọ́n
country,
value àkókò.
they value the time,
wọ́n value ẹ̀mí
they
ènìyàn.
value the soul of
ikú
people.
Ọlọ́run nìkan ló lè pààyàn
It
lọ́run.
is only the death of God that can take you,
tá a bá ti yọ ikú Ọlọ́run kúrò.
except the death from
àtúnfi
God.
àfọwọ́fà ló kù.
The next one is the one you use your hands to
wọ́n value ẹ̀mí ènìyàn.
do. They value people's life.
ẹ jẹ́ kí n sọ̀rọ̀ kan fún yín.
Let me tell you
ẹ
something.
máa rò pé ọmọ pa.
You will think I'm
ṣùgbọ́n
lying,
bó ṣe rí lọ nìyẹn.
but that is how it is.
mọ́tò wa ń lọ báyìí.
Our vehicle was going.
àṣà já ojú ọ̀nà ẹyẹ àṣà ó já ojú ọ̀nà.
An hawk came to the road.
tírélà tó wà wájú wa.
The trailer in front of
ó tẹ
us
bírèkì fún àṣà yẹn.
pressed the brake for this ark.
àwa náà tẹ bírèkì lẹ́yìn.
And we also pressed
àṣà yẹn ò
ourselves.
tètè kúrò lójú ọ̀nà.
The ark refused to leave the
ó
road.
wá hàn fún pọ́npọ́n.
And the trailer was on it.
mo ní kí ni tírélà dúró fún.
Then I was asking why
wọ́n ló ń
does the
dúró fún
trailer stop?
àṣà yẹn kí àṣà yẹn ó kọjá.
They said the trailer is waiting for the ark to
mo ní
walk away.
wọ́n tún náà ní ẹ̀mí ẹranko.
That means they value the life
àwọn
of
ní
the
dádì kò gbọdọ̀
animal.
pa á.
They said, Daddy, he must not kill the
ìgbà tá a dé
animal.
títí tá a fẹ́ cross ojú ọ̀nà.
When we got to that place and we wanted to cross,
bá a ṣe fẹ́ cross ojú ọ̀nà
as
báyìí.
we were about to cross,
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo fẹ́ sáré.
then I wanted to run.
wọ́n kàn fà mí padà ní wọ́n ní dádì bá ń kọ́. dádì
Then
bá
they
ń kọ́.
draw me back that, Daddy, that is not how we do
mọ́tò
it.
fúnra rẹ̀ máa dúró fún yín
The
ni.
vehicle will stop for you.
mo wá rò pé eré ni.
Then I thought it was a
bí mo ṣe
joke.
fẹ́ kọjá.
When I was about to
gbogbo àwọn
cross,
mọ́tò tí wọ́n sáré bọ̀.
all the vehicle that was
wọ́n
coming,
dẹ̀ dúró fún mi kí n
all of them,
kọjá.
they stopped for me
ṣe rí
to
ìgbà tí mo ń
cross.
padà bọ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kejì.
When I was coming the
mo
second
wá rìn
time,
mo wá yan bí ọba.
then I was walking majestically.
mo wá gbọ́ wípé wọ́n sọ pé Babangida máa ń wá sí ìlú yẹn.
Then I heard that Babangida used to come to that
mo gbọ́ pé
country.
wọ́n sọ pé Ọbásanjọ́ máa ń wá sí ìlú yẹn.
I heard that Obasanjo used to come to
mo gbọ́
that
pé wọ́n
country.
sọ pé bàbá Tinubu máa ń wá sí ìlú yẹn.
I heard that Baba Tinubu used to
mo
travel
gbọ́
there.
pé àwọn bàbá Adébóyè náà wá sí ìlú yẹn.
I heard that Baba Deboye, all
mo
of them
gbọ́ pé wọ́n sọ pé
traveled there.
bàbá Olúkọ̀yà ń lọ sí ìlú
I
yẹn.
heard that Baba Olukoya was there
mo gbọ́ pé
before.
wọ́n sọ pé bàbá Kúmúyì ń lọ sí ìlú
I
yẹn.
heard that Baba Kumuyi has been
mo
there.
gbọ́ pé wọ́n sọ pé bàbá Oyèdépò náà máa ń wọ̀ ìlú
I
yẹn.
heard that Baba Oyedepo has been there.
gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí Ọlọ́run ti fi àṣẹ orílẹ̀-èdè ilé lọ́wọ́ rẹ̀.
All of you, God has put the authority of this nation in your hand.
gbogbo yín ẹsẹ̀ mọ̀ pé ẹsẹ̀ máa gbé mi ẹ wá gbé mi kò sẹ́ni tí ọ̀wà mi bẹ́ẹ̀ gbé mi.
Nobody will look for me when you arrest
ẹ wá
me.
gbé mi màá tún lọ wàásù mbẹ ni.
Come and arrest me, I will go there and
bẹ́ẹ̀ bá dẹ̀ pa mí
And if you kill me,
ọmọ yín ó béèrè.
your children will ask.
ẹ̀jẹ̀ ó béèrè lórí àwọn ọmọ yín.
And my blood will
torí ẹ
be
mọ̀
on
pé
your
òótọ́
children.
ọ̀rọ̀ lọmọ kékeré yìí sọ.
Because you know this young man is telling
ẹ̀yin
the
bàbá
truth.
yìí ní àṣẹ láti tún orílẹ̀-èdè yìí ṣe.
All these fathers, you have the authority to change this
àtẹ̀yìn
nation.
bàbá tẹ̀ ń sọ pé kò kúkú dákọ̀ mi.
And all the fathers that are saying, if you don't
tẹ̀ ń sọ
mention
pé
my
kò
name,
kúkú dákọ̀ mi.
that you are saying I don't mention
Ọlọ́run
my
mọ̀
name.
yín mi ò dákọ̀ yín ni.
God knows you, I don't
tẹ́ ẹ bá fi
mention your name.
orílẹ̀-èdè yìí lẹ̀ báyìí kẹ́ ẹ tó kú.
If you leave this nation the way it is,
tí orílẹ̀-èdè bá wà báyìí tẹ́ ẹ ti jáde láyé.
and this nation is like this,
ẹ wọ ẹ̀sọ́ òkè lórí àwọn ọmọ yín ẹ̀yin bàbá.
then the revenge will come on your children.
ìpín Ọlọ́run tó ń bẹ lórí mi.
The call of God upon my
kìí
life
ṣe òróró ẹja o.
is not the
kìí
oil
ṣe
of the
òróró
king.
ẹran.
It's not for the
bàbá
meat.
mi Ọlọ́run ayérayé pè mí ni o.
Everlasting God called me.
Ọlọ́run ayérayé pè mí ni.
Everlasting God called me.
ọwọ́ yín làwọn alákòóso amúrọ̀bá wà.
All the armed robbers,
ẹ ní
they are
àṣẹ
staff.
àwọn ayákìlà.
You have the authority of the air
ẹ̀yin
killers.
lẹ́ni àwọn ọlọ́pàá àti
You
sójà.
have the police and the soldiers.
èmi rẹ̀ àgùntàn tí ò lẹ́nìkan ni mí.
I am just a sheep
ṣùgbọ́n
without
Olúwa ní
one.
kí n sọ fún yín pé
But God said I should
tẹ́
tell
ẹ
you,
bá tún orílẹ̀-èdè yìí ṣe
if you don't change this
kí
nation,
àwọn ọmọ iléèwé yìí kí wọ́n ríṣẹ́.
and these students should be able to get
torí
a
wípé
good
àwọn
job.
ọmọ tiyín ti rí ìrọ̀rùn.
Because your children, they are living with peace.
bàbá mi ní kí n sọ fún yín wípé
My father said I should tell
ẹ̀san
you.
ó kẹ́ lórí yín o.
Then revenge you speak.
ẹ sọ pé
about.
yín kọ́ lè bàjẹ́.
You are saying you are not the one that
àfi yín síbẹ̀ láti ṣe àtúnṣe yìí.
We put you there to do the correction.
àfi yín síbẹ̀ láti ṣe àtúnṣe yìí.
When we placed there to do this correction,
Oh my God! ṣé ẹni tẹ́ bá dé àwọn ìlú yìí?
if you get to these nations,
Mọ́dékáì sọ wípé
Mordecai said,
ọmọbìnrin yìí
woman,
tó o bá kọ̀
if you refuse
tó o bá ṣe àtúnṣe
and do the correction,
tó o bá ran ìlú yìí lọ́wọ́.
if you don't help this nation,
ó ní nígbà náà ní ìrànlọ́wọ́ dìde fẹ́ lò fún Ísírẹ́lì
then
láti wò mí.
help will come for Israel from
ó ní
another
ìrànlọ́wọ́
place.
yóò dìde fẹ́ lò fún Ísírẹ́lì.
He said help will come
ó ní
for
ṣùgbọ́n ìwọ
Israel,
àti ilé rẹ
but you and your
ó
household,
ní ọ̀run ò jẹ yín o.
heaven will destroy you.
ẹ̀yin bàbá ẹ wo nǹkan ẹ̀yin onígbàgbọ́ tẹ́ ẹ kàn ń kú sí chọ́ọ̀chì wo nǹkan ìwọ̀nba ní ẹgbàdúrà mọ́ lọ́hùn.
Christians that are dying in church, they pray less in this
ìgbà tí wọ́n ní
country.
tí wọ́n gbé microphone fún mi ní Spain
When they gave a microphone in Spain,
mẹ́ẹ̀ má bí tí màá ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ wá
I
sí.
don't know where to start from.
mẹ́ẹ̀ tí má ní orúkọ Jésù ẹ̀ máa lówó lọ́wọ́.
If I say in Jesus' name, you
gbogbo
will
wọn ti
rich.
lówó.
All of them, they are rich.
sẹ́kẹ̀tì ń gun mọ́tò.
The secretary is riding a
àwọn
vehicle.
ọmọ 18 years mọ́tò tí wọ́n ń gùn kọjá tèmi.
18 years children, they are using cars that is bigger than
tí
my
má sọ
own.
pé ẹ máa bímọ
If I say you are going to have children,
wọn ò kú nítorí ọmọ tí
they
wọn.
are not dying because of
torí
children.
at the age of 65 years
Because at the age of 65,
ìjọba ti ń gbé gbogbo bùkátà tó bá ti wọ 65 years.
government is taking care of whatever they want.
Aha, gbogbo wọn yẹn ń gba sálárì.
All of them, they are still collecting
wọn
their
kú nítorí
salary.
ọmọ.
They are not dying because of
wọn
children.
oṣù ọ̀dà wọn là máa jẹ́ kọ́ problem.
Witches and wizards are not their problem.
tó o bá wá ṣe kílẹ̀ nǹkan nígbà mo wà ní pé kò sí wàásù míì tí mo lè wà àfi wàásù ìjọba ọ̀run nìkan.
Then I discovered there is nothing to preach but to preach about heaven.
ó nìkan ni mo lè wàásù ká lè
That's the
gbọ́.
only thing I can preach and they will listen.
tẹ́nìkan bá dúró lọ́nà tó bá ní lórúkọ Jésù
If you stand there and you say in Jesus' name,
wọ́n máa fún ọ ní físà Nàìjíríà
they
lọ́la
will give you Nigerian visa
wọ́n máa
tomorrow.
lé pásítọ̀ yẹn lókùtà pa ni.
They will stone that pastor.
torí nǹkan tó chíìpù jù láyé yìí nísìn.
Because the cheapest thing
Ó
now
ní físà Nàìjíríà.
is Nigerian visa.
Kí wàá láǹfààní owó tẹ ní?
What is the value of the money you
Òkìkí
have?
ìrẹ́gbẹ̀ wo lẹ́lẹ́ ní?
What stupid fame do you
Òkìkí
have?
òṣì wo lẹ́lẹ́ ní?
What stupid fame do you
Torílẹ̀-èdè
have?
bàbá yín lẹ̀ ń bàjẹ́
That
báyìí.
the nation of your father is
Ìwàásù
going
náà wò lẹ́ ń
on.
wá fún wa?
What type of preaching
Tí
are you
àwọn ọmọ abẹ́ yín
giving to
lẹ̀ ń jìyà.
us? That your children under your
Ìwàásù òṣì wo lẹ́ ń wà?
What type of preaching are you
Ìwàásù
giving?
náà wò lẹ́ ń wà?
What type of preaching are you
Ẹ fẹ́ káwọn èèyàn ó déjọba Ọlọ́run.
want people to get to the
Ẹ sì ń
kingdom
fi
of
wọ́n
God?
sínú ìnira
And
láyé.
you are putting them in suffering on earth.
Ẹ̀sìn sà.
Sir,
Tá a bá máa wọ̀ jọba ọ̀run.
when we want to get to the
Kò sọ
kingdom
pé
of
ká
God,
jí ìnira tó báyìí láyé.
that does not say we should suffer like
Ayé
that.
Nàìjíríà ní ènìyàn lára.
Nigeria is suffering people.
Mo wá rí i pé Nàìjíríà náà ti dáa rí.
Then I discovered Nigeria was once
Nígbà tí
okay.
mo wà ní primary school,
When I was in primary school,
mo gbàgbé Awólọ́wọ̀.
I collected book from
Ọ̀fẹ́ ni.
Awolowo free of charge.
Ẹ wo nǹkan kòkó ọ̀sán bíi tí ẹ kọ́ sí Ìbàdàn nígbà náà lọ́hùn.
Cocoa House at Ibadan then.
Kò tó sí mi mọ́.
We don't have another one
Lẹ́yìn
again.
kòkó ọ̀sán àti Fẹ́mi Johnson tó wà Ìbàdàn.
Apart from Cocoa House and Femi Johnson, in
Àrà
Ibadan,
síwájú mi tó tún máa gbé nǹkan mi
we
ìdílé
don't
mọ́.
have any other leader that can bring
Ẹ
something
wo
good
títì
again.
tó wà ní Èkó.
The road in Lagos,
Ẹyọ kan náà ló dé Ìbàdàn.
it is the same road that
Ṣé
leads to
títì ẹyọ
Ibadan.
kan ló yẹ kó wà láti Èkó dé Ìbàdàn?
Do we supposed to have just one
Ẹ
road
bá
from
ń bí
Lagos
àwọn
to Ibadan?
aṣíwájú Èkó léèrè.
Let's ask from the
Pé ní
leaders of
ọjọ́ wo
Lagos.
ni ò ní sí go-slow mọ́lẹ́kọ̀ọ́?
When are we going to stop experiencing go slow in
Ìyà yìí
Lagos?
pọ̀.
This suffering is
Nígbà
too
mò ń
much.
padà bọ̀ sí
When I
Nàìjíríà,
was coming back to
mo bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí í
Nigeria,
sọkún.
then I was crying.
Bá a ṣe dé airport,
When we got to airport,
ẹ máa gbọ́ gbogbo àwọn country tá a wọ̀.
all the countries that we have
Tá a bá ti
been to,
fẹ́ wọ bẹ̀ báyìí.
when we
ní
were
alẹ́-
about to enter,
Ní
at the
alẹ́,
moment,
mo máa mú fóònù
I
mi.
used to take my
Mo
phone.
máa fi kámẹ́rà gbogbo bẹ̀.
Then I'm going to video everything
Gbogbo
there.
bẹ̀ bàbí ó dàbí paradise ní lálẹ́.
Everywhere is just like a
Iná
paradise.
wà níbi gbogbo.
There is light everywhere.
Ṣé nígbà tá a dé
But
Nàìjíríà
when we got to
tí
Nigeria,
mo tan fóònù mi
as
báyìí,
I on my phone,
ọ̀wọ́ iná tá ń rí
the traces of light
ó
we are
ní
seeing
iná ibi tí aeroplane yóò ti land.
is where the airplane is going to land.
Gbogbo òyòkù ti ṣókùnkùn.
Every other places was dark.
Gbogbo òyòkù ti ṣókùnkùn.
Every other places was
Kí
dark.
ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
What happened?
Sáàdẹ̀ láwọn aláṣíwájú.
Do we have leaders?
Ọmọ ẹ̀yìn ló yẹ kẹ́ jẹ́.
You're supposed to be
Àná
behind
ọmọ
us.
ẹ̀yìn ló yẹ kẹ́ jẹ́.
You're supposed to be
Ẹ wo
behind.
ẹ sẹ́ndí mẹ́sẹ̀gì yìí sí wọn o.
Send this message to them.
Ẹ̀yin ènìyàn tẹ́ ń jìyà lọ́wọ́ Nàìjíríà.
All of you that you are suffering in
Àwọn
Nigeria,
alákòóso wa ní o.
it is their
Gbogbo orílẹ̀-èdè yòókù ò rí bẹ́ẹ̀ o.
other countries are not like this.
Wọ́n máa pinnu ní o.
They decided within
Gbogbo àwọn tí
themselves.
ń gun pléènì káàkiri.
Everyone that is traveling in plane
Gbogbo ọmọ
around,
pátá ìyà ni wọ́n fi jẹ wá o.
all of them they are suffering
Bó
of.
bá wù ẹ́ kó o máa bú mi.
If you like abuse,
Orílẹ̀-èdè bàbá mi mo wà yìí.
this is my
Ẹ
father's
jẹ́ kí n
country.
sòótọ́ fún yín.
Let me tell you the
Ohun
truth.
tẹ̀mí máa jẹ dojú alẹ́.
What I'm going to eat till
Wẹ́rẹ́wẹ́rẹ́.
night.
Ọlọ́run fún mi lóúnjẹ.
Gradually, God is giving
Ó
it.
lè má pọ̀ o.
It might not be
Mo
more.
lè má kọ́lé o.
I might not have a
Mo
house.
lè má ralẹ̀ o.
I might not have
Ṣùgbọ́n
a house.
ọkàn mi balẹ̀.
But I'm living
Ṣùgbọ́n mo rí
with
wípé àwọn kan ní ìyà. Wọ́n sì wà ní ipò ìyà tẹ́mi jẹ lánàá.
But I discovered some people are experiencing what I experienced
Ìyà
yesterday.
náà àwọn kan sì ń bẹ ń bẹ báyìí
What
báyìí.
I experienced yesterday, so
Ó yẹ ká
I
tú wọn sílẹ̀.
That means we need to deliver
Àwọn ọmọ
them.
kàwé tán.
Children, they graduate.
Nígbà tí wọ́n parí ìwé.
When they finish
Wọn
education,
ò ríwèé.
there is,
Wọn ò ríṣẹ́.
there is no job.
Gbogbo wọn wá di 419.
All of them, they become
Àwọn ọmọ
fraudulent.
ọlọ́mọ wà ń kópa tó ń pátá.
They are not taking people's funds.
Wọ́n wà ń kópa tó ń pátá.
They are taking people's
Torí
funds.
pé wọ́n ń wá owó by force.
Because they are looking for
Ṣé
money.
ẹjọ́ wọn wá ni?
Is it their fault?
Báwo ò ṣe ní wa?
Why won't they look for
Ṣé wọn ò
money?
ní jẹ ni?
Won't they eat?
Ṣé ẹ fẹ́ kí ni ó pa wọ́n kú
You
ni?
want them to die
Ẹ
of
ń pè wọ́n ní
hunger?
Yahoo.
You are calling them
Èmi
Yahoo.
ò sọ pé Yahoo dáa.
I'm not saying what they are
Mi
doing.
ò dẹ̀ encourage wọn
And
rárá.
I'm not encouraging
Ṣùgbọ́n kí lẹ
them.
fẹ́ káwọn ọmọ yìí
But
jẹ?
what do you want these children
Kí
to
lẹ fẹ́ kí
eat?
wọ́n jẹ?
What do you want them
Ẹ
to
fẹ́
eat?
bà yí òbí wọn
You
jẹ́.
want to destroy their
Àwọn
parents'
arúgbó wa ń
life?
kú sínú òṣì.
Our aged people are dying in
Àwọn ìyá
suffering.
wa ń kú sínú òṣì.
Our mothers are dying
Àwọn
in
bàbá wa
poverty.
dàgbà wọ́n dẹ̀ ń kú sínú ìpọ́njú.
Our fathers died and they are dying in
Ṣùgbọ́n torí
suffering.
pé èyí ti jẹun yó.
But because you are
Ọmọ
filled,
yẹn wà lọ́hùn.
your children are
Ẹ
outside
wá nǹkan
the
kan
country.
ṣe sórílẹ̀-èdè yìí.
You are not looking out
Gbogbo
for
èyí tẹ́ wà ní ìpele láti tún orílẹ̀-èdè ṣe.
all of you that are in the level to revive this
Pàápàá
nation.
jùlọ ní 2019 tí mò ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí.
Especially this year,
Tó fi máa wọ 2020.
till year
Tí ó fi wọ
2020,
2030.
till year
Tí ó ti
2030,
wọ 2040.
till year
Tẹ́ ò
2040.
bá tún orílẹ̀-èdè
If
yìí
you
ṣe,
don't change this nation,
àdánwò yóò wọnú ẹbí yìí.
tribulation will come into your family.
Èmi ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run mo wí bẹ́ẹ̀.
I, servant of God, says,
Wọ́n ní ìkẹlẹ̀ Bolúládé.
my name is Prophet Caleb Olulade,
Bàbá àdúrà AK-47.
Badra
Tí àwọn èèyàn ń
AK-47.
pè ní bàbá náà mọ̀
That
wọ̀.
people call Baba no more war.
Òun ló ń sọ̀rọ̀.
It's the one that is
Ikú ò rí ọjọ́ ń lójú.
your death, I don't care.
Ọlọ́pàá tó fẹ́ ràn yẹn kò mú fún mi.
The police you want to send
Ìjà lọ́kàn mi ò lè lè rí ìgbà
My
kúrò.
salvation, you cannot take
O
it
lè gbá
away.
ìgbà lọ́kàn mi
You
kúrò.
cannot take my
Ẹ tún
salvation.
orílẹ̀-èdè yìí ṣe.
Change this nation.
Ẹ tún orílẹ̀-èdè yìí ṣe.
Change this nation.
Ẹ má gbàgbé ẹni tó pa kí lorúkọ ọmọ yìí Nábọ́tì.
Don't forget the man that killed Naboth.
Ibi tá a pa Nábọ́tì sí.
Where we killed Naboth,
Ibẹ̀ náà ni àjọ ti jẹ ẹ̀jẹ̀ Jésébẹ́lì o.
that is where the dog ate Jezebel.
Àjọ jẹ ẹ̀jẹ̀ Áhábù náà o.
And the dog ate Ahab.
Gbogbo yìí àmọ́ yẹn ti wí pé
All of you remember,
ènìyàn lásán lẹ́yìn
you
náà.
are just an ordinary
Ara iṣẹ́
person.
olórílẹ̀-èdè láti wá túnṣe ni.
We have sent you to this
Bóyá
nation
ẹ ti
to
sùn
change
tẹ́lẹ̀.
it. Maybe you are sleeping
Ẹ jí
before.
báyìí.
Wake up from your
Wọ́n gbé mi
slumber.
lọ láti lọ gun tírẹ̀nì orí òkè.
They asked me to go and enter the train that
Nígbà tá a máa
flew
dénú
around.
tírẹ̀nì lókè.
When we got there,
Àwa àárín àwọn mọ́tò tán rìn lẹ̀.
we were seeing vehicles that were going under us.
Tírẹ̀nì tá ń gùn tó ń lọ lókè.
And the train that was moving up,
Òkè ní ti ń lọ o.
it was moving
Tírẹ̀nì
in
ni
the
mò ń pè
cloud.
ń sọ pé bàálù o.
I'm talking about train this time
Kì
around,
í ṣe bàálù o.
not airplane.
A dẹ̀ ń lọ lórí òfurufú.
And we were moving.
Mo ní ẹgbàá mi sí ayé mo wà bọ́run.
Then I was asking, am I on earth or in
Wọ́n ní
heaven?
dáàdi ayé náà lẹ́wọ̀.
They said, Daddy, you are still on earth.
Wọ́n mú mi lọ síbì kan.
They took me
Wọ́n ní ẹ
somewhere.
wọnú lẹ́yìn dáàdi.
They said, look at this house.
Gbogbo àwọn ọmọ ìlú yìí tí ò lówó lọ́wọ́.
All the people in this country that
Ibẹ̀
don't
ni wọ́n
have
ti
money,
wá ń gba nǹkan lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́.
that is where they used to collect things free of
Aṣọ
charge.
súùtù tó yẹ kí wọ́n rà ní 100,000.
The suits they're supposed to buy
Wọ́n
100,000.
máa tà fún ọ ní €2.
They would sell it for them €2.
Gbogbo àwọn tí ẹ sọ láì ní bẹ̀.
All the people that
Wọ́n á lọ
are
síbẹ̀ yẹn láti lọ gba nǹkan tó
they
bá
will
fẹ́.
go there to take what they
Níbo
want.
ń torílẹ̀-èdè yìí wà?
Where do we have for this
Ẹ
nation?
kó owó sí àpò.
You put the money in your
Ẹ ń
pocket.
fìyà jẹ orílẹ̀-èdè.
You are suffering people.
Ẹ̀dẹ̀lẹ́ láṣẹ.
And you said you have
Àṣẹ
authority.
tẹ̀ ní tí ò lè pa kankan.
The authority that you have that cannot kill
Ẹ
a
nílò
man.
àṣẹ yẹn tíbi tó dáa.
You will not use it.
Ẹ rí o,
where it is
ẹ máa
good.
gbọ́ lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta pé wọ́n ti gbé mi o.
Soon you will hear that they have
Wọ́n ti wá
come
gbé
to
mi ní òní
arrest me.
ìtẹ́lẹ̀ ẹ tún máa gbọ́ lẹ́yìn pé wọ́n tún máa ń bọ̀ wá gbé mi. Ẹ máa bọ̀,
Soon, come,
ẹ máa bọ̀,
come,
ẹ máa bọ̀.
come.
Ìkànnì
You are wicked.
ẹ̀yin ọ̀dájú ẹ̀mí yìí.
You are a crowd people.
Nígbà mo wà ní primary school,
When I was in primary
mò ń
school,
sunkún lọ́jọ́ kan.
I was crying one day.
Màmá mi wá go agolo mílíìkì ọlọ́pẹ méjì.
My mother now gave me 2 pick me.
Wọ́n kó fún mi pé kí n má sunkún
My
mọ́.
mother gave it to me that I should
Mo wá ń
not
kó lọ
die.
sùkúù, mo lọ mú
I
sùkúù.
took it to school to drink.
Níjọ́ nígbà mo ti ráyè irun tí ìra mílíìkì ọlọ́pẹ fún màmí.
Ever since I'm on 8, I've not bought salt for
Tọ́mọ
my
ká bá ń
mom.
sunkún ní ìsìn.
If a child is
Tó
crying
ló fẹ́ mu
now,
mílíìkì
that
ọlọ́pẹ.
wanted to drink pick me,
Ìyá rẹ̀ ó fún ní kò.
the mother will just
Níbo ló
rub
ti
the
fẹ́
head.
rí?
Where do you want the one
Gbogbo
to get it
ìgbádùn yìí
from?
làwọn ọmọ òyìnbó ń gbá.
And all this enjoyment the white people
Ẹ tún orílẹ̀-èdè yìí ṣe o.
expressing it.
Kó tó pẹ́ jù.
Change this nation
Ẹ tún
before
orílẹ̀-èdè yìí ṣe.
it is. Change this
Kó tó pẹ́ jù.
nation before it is too
Ẹ
late.
tún orílẹ̀-èdè yìí ṣe.
Change this
Kó tó
nation
pẹ́ jù.
before it is too
Ẹ
late.
rí gbogbo àwọn tí mo dá kọ́ lẹ́ẹ̀kan yẹn.
All the people I've mentioned
Àti
before,
pírẹ́sídẹ̀ntì wa.
and our
Àti
president,
gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n ti jẹ́ gómìnà ní Nàìjíríà.
and all the
Ìkà
pastors,
nìyẹn.
all of you, you are
Ọ̀dájú
corrupt.
ẹ̀mí nìyẹn.
You are wicked.
Àti ẹ̀dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Fáṣọlá ń tiẹ̀.
Thank God for Fashola.
Nígbà tó wá sékòó.
When he came to Lagos,
Tí mo rí tó ń gbingi káàkiri.
that I saw him plant
Àwọn èèyàn ń bú.
around. People were
Àti
abusing him.
ọmọkùnrin yàtí nítorí lọ́run ló mú wá sí Nàìjíríà.
It was what this man saw over there that he tried in
Kíákíá ó ti
Nigeria.
gbé àwọn abọ́ kan sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ títì.
Then he placed some plates
Ó ẹ̀wọ̀
beside the
irú
road.
Fáṣọlá yẹn.
Someone like
Èmi
Fashola.
ò rí rí o.
I've not seen
Mi
him
ìdẹ̀gbá
before.
kọ́bọ̀ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀.
And I didn't
Mi ì má rí o.
from him. I don't know
Bó bá
him.
fún mi lọ́wọ́ màá gbà á.
If you give him money, I will take
Bọ̀ mi
it.
ò rí rí.
But I've not seen
Ṣé rírú rẹ̀ tó bá di president?
someone like him if he became the
Tọ́jà
president.
orílẹ̀-èdè yà lè gbà tó sí láti padà.
Maybe this country will be
Tó bá yẹ kó
changed.
lọ́lọ́run fẹ́ lò.
If God can use
Kó
him,
Olúwa kó gbéra dìde.
God should arise
Kó wá ṣàtúnṣe orílẹ̀-èdè yìí.
and come and change this nation.
Ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá máa tún ṣe.
Anyone that is going to change
Ẹnikẹ́ni
it,
tó wù orí ó jẹ́.
anyone that is ready,
Ìbá àjámọ̀ tí ó ti kú òun bẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀.
maybe those that have
Ṣé arẹ́dì láti ṣe àtúnṣe?
that they are ready to
Ìbá àdẹ̀jẹ́
correct
kọ́lọ̀ ń
it.
fẹ́ gbé lòmí
Or
ìdíje ni.
God wants to bring another person.
Kọ́lọ̀ ń ó dìde.
God should arise.
Kọ́lọ̀ ń ó dìde.
God should arise.
Àwọn pásítọ̀ ń yọkùn.
The pastors are fast
Ọmọ ìjọ ń gbẹ.
and the members are
Ẹ
late.
wò lọ́run ẹjẹ́ ń sọ tọrọ fún yín.
Dear,
Mi ò dá yín padà sẹ́yìn o.
I'm not taking you backward.
Àwọn àgbà wọn wọ́n lọ chọ́ọ̀chì.
The elders are going to
Ṣé
church.
ráwọn ọmọ ké àwọn young person tẹ́ lọ chọ́ọ̀chì?
All the young ones that are going to church.
O ò lè dá sóòru 21 days sílẹ̀ lọ́nkó rẹ nìkan.
You cannot say you want to do 21
Kálukú
days
wọn ti lọ síbi iṣẹ́.
program and they should come. They have gone to
Iṣẹ́
their
wọn wọ́n ń ṣe
work.
létòlétò.
They are doing their work
Wọ́n tẹ̀ ń
accordingly.
gba owó wọn lákòókò tó yẹ.
And they are earning their money
Ìfọ̀kànbalẹ̀
when
náà fi ń sin Ọlọ́run.
they are serving God with peace.
Olóńgbò dúdú ń bẹ lọ́hùn.
There is black cats over
Wọn
there.
kọ̀mándì àjẹ́ ẹbẹ̀.
They don't command all the witches.
Oh my God! àṣẹ ìnira là ń fi àṣẹ ìyàlẹ́ fi ń jẹ wá lórílẹ̀‐èdè yìí.
That means you are suffering us in this
èmi
nation.
sọ eléyìí o
I've said this.
mo sọ eléyìí máa tún sọ mí
I've said this and I'm going to say another one.
mo sọ eléyìí máa tún sọ mí
I've said this, I will say another one.
àròwọ ilé òwe ọmọ sàn
We could not pay the children's
ẹ
school.
wo iye ọdún tí mo fi ń kọ́ chọ́ọ̀chì
Look at the number of years
ẹ wo iye ọdún tá a fi ń
church.
kọ́ chọ́ọ̀chì
Look at the number of years
Láti
we are
rówó
using to
kọ́ parí.
build the church that we are unable to finish
just nítorí pé àfẹ́ ṣàfọ̀ṣẹ́
because we don't want to use
torí pé
that.
àfẹ́ lo ègèdè àfẹ́ lo
Because we
gbèdúgbèdú
don't want to use
asáfẹ́
incantations.
kọ́lọ́kọ́rùn ó mú wa délé
We want heaven to take
tí
us
gbogbo
home.
àwọn tá a jọ lóòótọ́
And still all of us that
ẹ
have
jẹ́ arọ́nà lọ
you don't allow us to see
gbogbo àwọn ọmọ
where
yẹn
to go.
jáde
All these children they
wọ́n wà ń wá
graduate
iṣẹ́
and
káàkiri
they are looking for job
ẹ
around.
wàá kó wọn
Then you will now
ẹni
take
tó bá jí
them.
1,000 naira
Someone that stole
ẹ fún lọ
1,000.
ẹ̀wọ̀n ọdún mẹ́wàá
You will give them 10 years
ẹni tó jí
imprisonment.
fóònù lásán
Someone that steal a phone.
ẹ fún lẹ́wọ̀n ọdún
You
mẹ́sàn-án
will give them 9 years imprisonment.
ẹni tó jí nǹkan kékeré lásán
Someone that steal a little
ẹ fún
thing.
lẹ́wọ̀n ogún ọdún
You will give them 20
àwọn
years
tí wọ́n ń jí
imprisonment.
bílíọ̀nù
And those that are stealing billions,
àgbúrò wọn
we could not hear
dídí
about them.
anita ẹ ló kówó ń jò ní owó ń dà
Vivian that you said she steal the other
owó
time.
àbáṣà tẹ sọ fún wa owó ń dà
Where is the money? Abasha's money. Where is
àbí ẹ má
it?
náwó
We did say you
àní
should
ẹ
not
tún
spend.
orílẹ̀-èdè yìí ṣe
Please amend this
ẹ bá mi
nation.
bẹ̀rẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ àwọn èèyàn
Ask from people.
níjọ́ wo ni òtó ní sígósùlò lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mọ́
When are we not going to expand?
níjọ́ wo ni òtó ní sígósùlò ń bàdàn mọ́
When are we not going to
àwọn
expand?
ojú ọ̀nà tí a ti ṣe láti 1970
All the roads that they have done since
òun náà ló sì
1970.
wà ń bẹ̀
That is the one we are seeing.
ó mà ṣe o
What a pity.
mo lọ wàásù wájú chọ́ọ̀chì kan
I went to go and preach in front of a church.
mo ṣe fídíò kọ̀ mo fi wàásù fáwọn èèyàn ní o
I did a video tape there to preach for people.
ọmọ àdàrọ̀ ọjọ́ kejì mo rà àwọn ọlọ́pàá
The
mẹ́fà
following morning, I saw 6
mo
policemen.
ní kí ló dé
What happened?
wọ́n sọ pé wàásù wájú chọ́ọ̀chì
They
wa
said you preach in front of
wàásù wájú
our
chọ́ọ̀chì
church.
wa
You preach in front of our church.
wàásù wájú chọ́ọ̀chì wa
You preach in
mo
front
bú
of our
ẹ̀rín
church. I smiled.
ọlọ́pàá ní bọ́ sínú mọ́tò
The policeman asked me to come.
mo nínú mọ́tò wo
I said, which vehicle?
mo lóòrí pé mo fẹ́ wàásù láàárọ̀ Sunday
Don't you say I want to preach on
ó ní màá
Sunday?
tán níbọn o
He said he's going to shoot
mo
me.
lóòrùn ń kún ẹ
I said, you're
bí n bá wàásù tán lórí púpìtì
if I don't finish preaching,
mi ò lè kú òun bẹ̀
I will not live
sọ
there.
fọ́gà rẹ pé mo ń bọ̀
Tell your boss
ó
I'm
ń gbọ́ yóò
coming.
pe ọ̀gá rẹ̀
When he got to a time, the person called the
ìyá ni
boss.
kó jẹ́ kí n wàásù tán
And the man said, let him finish.
inú mọ́tò mi tá a ti ń lọ
While we were on our way going,
ọ̀gá ọlọ́pàá fàyè rẹ̀ fún Jésù
then this young man gave us
ó lóṣù kẹfà rèé tó ń ti gbọ́ wàásù
He said 6 months ago,
ó lóun ò
I
mọ̀
has
pẹ̀lú
listened to
pásítọ̀
the
báyìí
word
ní
of
ẹni kò
God.
ń wá mú wá
He said he does not know they asked him to arrest
Ìgbà mo
this
débẹ̀.
type of man of God. When
Ìgbà
I
mo
got
débẹ̀.
there, when I got there,
mo ní asílẹ̀gbọ́n ọdẹ wọn
I said, open the
ẹ jẹ́
prison
kí n
door.
wọlé kí n wàásù fáwọn tí wọ́n wà ń bẹ̀
Let me go in there and preach for the
ebó orí ọ̀fẹ́
prisoners.
lèmi náà rí gbà
It is the grace of God that I receive.
ẹskísà
Sir,
gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà ní ṣàkóso
all of you that you are
tẹ́ ẹ bá
in
tún
charge,
orílẹ̀-èdè yìí ṣe
if you don't change this
ó kù
nation,
sọ́wọ́ yín
it is left to
bẹ́ẹ̀ máa
you.
gbọ́ dáadáa o
But listen very well.
ọmọ yóò jẹ nínú ìyà náà
Your children are going to take part of
orílẹ̀-èdè yìí tí
this
ò bá níná
If this nation does
kó
not
tó
apply
2020
by year 2020,
2020
by year
tí wọ́n bá tún
2020,
múná orílẹ̀-èdè yìí lọ
and they take away the life,
2020
year
tí wọ́n bá tún
2020,
múná orílẹ̀-èdè yìí lọ
and they take away the life,
àdánwò ọmọ yíyanú ilé yín
then tribulation
tí ojú ọ̀nà wọn ò bá dáa
house. If our road is not good,
ẹ̀rọ tó bá ṣe wèrè tó bá sá 100 ní express ọ̀nà Ìbàdàn wá wọnú pọ́tò wá pa o ti pa yín nìyẹn
if you speed more than 100% on Ibadan Expressway, you will die.
ẹ wo mi níjà ti sọ̀rọ̀ púpọ̀ mọ́
I don't need to say more.
àbọ̀rọ̀ tó fọmọlúwàbí
The little one is
omi
enough for the
ojú mi
wise.
kán sílẹ̀ nítorí orílẹ̀-èdè yìí
My weep came down because of this.
omi ara mi kán sílẹ̀ nítorí orílẹ̀-èdè
My
yìí
sweat came out
kí
because of
Ọlọ́run
this.
kó lu eléyìí
nation.
láti ṣe ìparadì orílẹ̀-èdè yìí
God should use this to revive this nation.
wo ó dọwọ́ yín o
It is left to
ẹ̀yin
you.
àgbààgbà Yorùbá tẹ gbọ́rọ̀ yìí lónìí
All the Yoruba
àwọn tó
people
bá yẹ kó o pè lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tó o bá pè wọ́n
that you need to call on
ó ń
to
fi
be
ìdílé rẹ sínú ewu
You are putting your family
èmi ò lágbára jù báyìí lọ Jésù nìkan mo ní o
I don't have any other
ṣùgbọ́n mo
power
wí fún yín wípé
Jesus, but I've said
gbogbo
to
orí ẹrú gbogbo orí ọmọ tẹ sọ lórí ẹrú
all the children that you have turned to slaves,
gbogbo àwọn èèyàn tẹ fi ìyà jẹ lórí ẹ̀dẹ̀
all
yìí
the people that you are suffering in this
ẹlẹ́dàá wọn yóò
nation,
parapọ̀
their creator will
gẹ́gẹ́ bí
arise.
ẹlẹ́dàá ọmọ Ísírẹ́lì ṣe parapọ̀
The way the creator of the Israelites gathered
tó fi ìyà
together,
jẹ Fáráò
that makes Pharaoh
bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni ẹ̀yin
suffer.
náà ṣubú
That is how you are going to
ẹ̀yin
fall.
àtọmọlẹ́ òjò ṣubú
You
lọ́jọ́ náà
and your children will fall that day.
ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ bá sẹ́ndì mẹ́sẹ̀gì yìí
If you send this message,
mi ò ṣépè fún ọ
I'm not cursing you.
bọ́ọ̀ bá sẹ́ndì ẹ̀
If you don't send it,
mi ò ṣépè fún
I'm
ọ
not cursing you.
ṣùgbọ́n jẹ́ kí n sọ tọrọ
But let me tell you the
ní
truth.
ọjọ́ ayọ̀ orílẹ̀-èdè yìí
On the day of joy of this
a ní fi
nation,
ọ́ ṣàwátì
you will not be found wanting.
èmi ti sọ ohun tí mo rí o
I've said what I've seen.
ìlú Germany dá o
Germany is good.
ọ̀dà ó dàbí ọ̀run ni
It's good. It's just like
ọ̀nà abẹ́
heaven.
ti sí fèmí mo tún lọ bẹ̀
The way is open for me. I will
kò
go.
sígbà tí
soon.
mi ò lè wọ̀lú Spain báyìí
I can go to Spain anytime I
mo
like.
lè wọ Istanbul ní Turkey báyìí bó ṣe
I
wù mí
can go to Istanbul in Turkey anytime.
ṣùgbọ́n ẹkún yẹn ń gbọ̀n mí nítorí àwọn tí wọ́n lè débẹ̀
But I'm weeping because of those that
torí
are
ọmọ
not
pé
dead.
ìyà làwọn ń jẹ lọ́wọ́
Because they don't know they are suffering.
ṣùgbọ́n ìyà náà yóò di ọ̀rọ̀
but the suffering will turn to wealth.
tí mẹ́sẹ̀gì yìí bá dọ́dọ̀ rẹ
If this message gets to you
kó tó di on the 31
Before 34.
kó ti dọ̀ on the 1 oṣù karùn-ún
before 1st of May,
oṣù karùn-ún 2019
1st of May yet
tí mẹ́sẹ̀gì yìí bá dọ́dọ̀ rẹ
if this message gets to you,
a ti panupọ̀ láti gbàdúrà ọjọ́ kan
we have gathered together to pray
fún
for
orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà
for this country,
ní
Nigeria,
Echo Event Center ní Ẹgbẹ́dá bus stop.
at Echo Event Center, Egbeda Bus Stop.
A máa gbàdúrà yẹn
We are going to pray.
a gbà fúnra wa náà
We are going to pray for
pé kí
ourselves
àṣeyọrí yẹn kó sojú wa
that the success we should experience
aago méjì àárọ̀
7 a.m.
sí aago mẹ́wàá àárọ̀
till 10 p.m.
òun la máa fi gbàdúrà yẹn.
That is the time we are going to
Echo
use to pray.
Event Center
Echo Event
ní
Center
Ẹgbẹ́dá bus stop
at Egbeda Bus Stop,
number 65.
number 65.
ẹjẹ́ àpàdé mbẹ̀
Let's meet
ibẹ̀
there.
làwọn máa ń wà láàárọ̀ Friday tá a
That
ti
is
máa ń gbàdúrà.
where you used to be Friday morning to pray.
ó rẹ̀ lè máa wá bí tẹ́ ẹ máa rán ọlọ́pàá wá ẹ̀ nídìí
Because you
wàhálà
might be looking for where to send the police.
láti wá gbé mi ẹ̀sìn wá gbé
To
mi
come
mbẹ̀
and arrest me, I will be
bẹ́ẹ̀ bá
there.
ti ń gbé mi lọ́wọ́ àwọn pásítọ̀ máa wàásù lọ ni
As you are taking me away, the pastors will continue
kò sí
preaching.
kò lè dín sí ìránṣẹ́ mi lọ́wọ́
Nothing can stop the work of
àwọn
God.
tọgbẹ̀ wọn máa lọ wàásù fún
I will go there to preach for the
màá dẹ̀ tún wá
prisoners.
padà
And I will come back.
bẹ́ẹ̀ dẹ̀ jẹun wá padà
And if you don't allow me to come back,
wo kò mú fún mi
it does not move
kò sí
me.
kí ni mo pè é kò mú fún mi
It does not move me.
iye ẹ̀sẹ̀ mi kọ́ ni màá kọ́kọ́ kú fún Jésù
I'm not the first person that will die for Jesus.
débi wípé mi ò lè kú
Till, but I believe I
ìwọ
cannot
tó bá
die.
ronú kúrò mi
If you believe, if you are thinking of my
wàá
death,
ṣáájú mi dọ̀run
then you will go before me.
á pàdé lọ́jọ́ mi
We are going to meet another day.
o lè pín nọ́mbà yìí tó bá fẹ́ béèrè
You
béèrè
can call this number if you want.
09033933009 ẹ̀hẹ́ ọkọ̀ rẹ̀ ti bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn 09033933009 God bless you and see you tomorrow.
Ọlọ́run yóò bùkún fún yín.
Bó o ṣe-
Àwọn pàdé lówùúrọ̀ ọ̀la.
bó o ṣe ń sẹ̀ǹdẹ̀ sẹ́lómi
As
wàhálà
you are
ló gbà
sending it to people, you are going to receive message.
Jésù Olúwa wa.
Amen.
Which way to go?
I love my fatherland.
Oh yeah,
I want to know.
I want to know.